How you can start farming in Hytale. So this is very simple guide. All you're gonna have to do is to craft your workbench and place your workbench. Now open your workbench and go into your menu bar into crafting, and here we want to craft the farmer workbench. You will need any 6 tree logs and 20 plant fibers. So cut a tree and destroy any bushes around in your area. I got it right here and place this workbench and open the farmer's workbench, and we want to create the crude hoe. You will need 4 tree logs and 3 stones. Then craft your hoe, and if you right click with your hoe you can do this lines and plant a seed. So the easiest way is to just plant here a seed. I got here for example the lettuce bag, right click and you will plant that seed. If you want to get another seeds, go to your farmer's workbench and at the top click on this bag, and you can create here the wheat seed bag or the lettuce seed bag. You will need the essence of life, and the essence of life you will get from destroying or harvesting mature wheat or another plant. So here I'm gonna create a wheat seed bag, multiple ones, and grab it and you can blend it. These are the basics, but you can speed up the growing process. So you will need the bucket with the water. You can get one in this village and just dig a hole and put here the water. Now go back to your farmer's workbench and we will need the empty watering can. So we will need 3 iron ingot. I got some iron ore in my inventory. So I'm gonna turn on my furnace and put here iron ore, which is here, and wait until you get your iron ingot. If you have 3 iron ingots, go to your farmer's workbench and create the empty watering can. So this is my watering can, and now right click to the water. Now I'm gonna place here some lights, and if you right click on that seed you will water that and it will speed up the growing process. So the water is not necessarily needed, but it can speed up the growing process. Also, if you want to unlock another seeds, you need to go to your farmer's workbench and upgrade the tier of your farmer's workbench. So then you can unlock these, for example, carrot seed bag, corn seed bag, etc. So these were the basics. Leave a silly comment in the comment section and don't subscribe. See you next time.